In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the caps on some text. Okay, so you can convert from smaller caps to bigger caps. Assuming I want to convert the whole of this into caps letter or capital letters, I can just select. I can come over to this. Okay, so you can see uppercase, and everything is now in uppercase. Instead of me to rewrite it manually using the caps lock, I can do that with just one click. And if you want to go back to lowercase, you can go back to lowercase just like that. And if you want the beginning of every letter capital each word, I can capital each of the beginning of each word. You can see beginning of each of the word, the letter is capital. And if you want, you can as well do sentence case. You can make it sentence by sentence or thereabout. Okay, depending on your choice. So this is the icon that you can toggle the case as well to make it capital and small cases if you're interested in toggling. Okay, very easy and interesting. So if you found this helpful, please leave a like.